What's up guys, welcome to the shop. Today I'm going to keep cruising on this Grom stunt bike build. I'm going to do the most important thing that you should do to a Grom for wheelies, which is remove this ugly stock rear fender. I've already been scraping it, so it's got to go. I've got some parts from TST. I'm going to replace the rear brake light with one that has the blinkers inside it. I'm going to replace the front blinkers as well. So let's get to work. The blinkers are on, but they don't flash the way they're supposed to until you put a different electrical relay under the rear seat. Then they'll be working just right. Let's dig into the other end of this project and get that fender off the bike. This little plug is the relay that gets all the lights to flash how they're supposed to. The last part of this is license plate mount, light, and a little trim piece to block off where the rear fender was mounted. Those were some easy mods that probably make the biggest difference out of anything for the appearance of the bike. And they probably make the biggest difference for doing wheelies too. I'm really excited to have that rear fender out of the way for practicing wheelies. But I got a lot more parts that are still going to go on this Grom, so stay tuned for the next video. If you guys are still watching, I hope you guys will give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment down below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.